Hello everyone, it's Resort Theme Walk here. The theme today is food courts. We're gonna check out Disney's Port Orleans Riverside and Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter Resort food courts and their menus. There are some pretty good food selections here, so let's explore. We're starting at the Port Orleans Riverside. This resort is full of character in a picturesque southern setting with beautiful magnolia trees, water taxis, horse-drawn carriages in the late afternoons. They also have a beautiful wedding garden venue and more. As we walk to the Riverside Mill Food Court, I want to mention that these two resorts, the Riverside and French Quarter, focus on tasty American fare and southern specialties. Their menus are very similar and there is something for everyone, including meat-free options. They have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They have several food stations such as the bakery, the grill, pizza and pasta, specialties and sandwiches, and of course they have the grab-and-go items. It's about 4:15 p.m. right now and it's not that busy here. So this actually is a pretty good time to come over and have a meal at the food court. Alright, let's see what's on the menu. We're going to start off with the bakery station, which includes ice cream selections. And then we'll move on to the next station, which is the grill, and then pizza and pastas, and then at the end will be the specialties, sandwiches, and salads. Okay, I'm gonna let you enjoy the natural background sounds here at the food court. That way you can feel as if you are here right now. Alright, so my husband loves the citrus basil salmon. It comes with choice of 2 sides and a little bit of white wine. And I got the caprese chicken sandwich with fresh mozzarella and fries. A couple of features I like here is the nice large sitting area. The tables are spaced out from other guests, and a bonus is that you can see a huge 35-foot water mill wheel at work. So how cool is it to see this by a food court, right? We're now at our second resort stop, Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. From this resort, you can use the water taxi service to Disney Springs or to Riverside Resort if you want to explore it. If you prefer to walk to either resort, that's fine too, because there's a super nice walkway alongside the river that connects them. The French Quarter is defined by the sounds of jazz, cobblestone streets, colorful characters, and of course, Cajun and Creole specialties. And right off the lobby, there's a cool jazz lounge with a full service bar, appetizers, and live entertainment Thursdays through Sundays. Before we go to the food court, I want to show you this nice quick service cafe and its menu for your sweet tooth and hot and cold beverages. And here we are at the Sasagula Floatworks and Food Factory. I hope I pronounced that right. They have indoor and outdoor seating. It seems to me that their indoor seating capacity is not as ample as the Riverside Resort. So on those hot summer days, I think I'd prefer to eat inside. I may be wrong, but what do you think? They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner with several food stations here too, from the grill, burgers, southern specialty entrees, bakery, pizzas. I've had the gumbo here and it's so good. The rice too with the chicken, sausage, okra, and spices. It's dinner time right now, so let's take a look at each food station. I hope you enjoyed this video tour of Port Orleans Riverside and Port Orleans French Quarter quick service dining options and food courts for anyone planning a Disney vacation and looking for convenient dining choices in a nice and pleasant family-friendly atmosphere. Resort Theme Walk is made possible with your support. You may visit my homepage for the PayPal link. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Resort Theme Walk videos.